I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the controller off and removing any cables, safety first. Once done, flip the controller and remove the 4 visible torque screws with a T6 driver, then gently pry the shell open with a plastic tool to avoid marring plastic. Make sure to lift evenly to avoid snapping clips, and set screws aside in a container. You'll expose the internal board and the modular thumbstick assemblies. This access allows precise replacement without disturbing ribbon cables. You'll now unclip any nearby ribbon cables and move them away to reach the thumbstick module. Keep track of orientation for reassembly. Next, remove the retaining screws or clips holding the thumbstick module, then lift the module straight up to avoid bending pins. Once removed, place the new module in the same orientation, align plastic posts and electrical contacts, and press down until its snaps or screw holes align. Make sure the potentiometer pins contact cleanly so inputs register correctly. You're finishing by reconnecting any ribbon cables and closing the shell. Make sure each clip seats and tighten screws evenly so the casing is flush. Reconnect the controller to the Ps5 and power it on. Test all axes of both thumbsticks in settings accessories to confirm no dead zones or drift. If you see drift, recalibrate using console tools, power cycle the controller, or reopen and reseat the module. Often a slightly misaligned contact causes issues. If problems persist, try another replacement module before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.